In this video, I will show you how you can hide photos on any Samsung tablet. Now just watch this video till the end because I will show you another method if your tablet does not support the first method. Now for the first method, just open the Gallery app and from here just tap on Settings. Now under the Gallery settings, just scroll down and tap on About Gallery. And from here, just tap on the version number a few times until you enable Gallery Labs. And after you enable Gallery Labs, then just go back. And at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of Gallery Labs. Now just tap on it, and from here just scroll down, and you will find the option of Album Entry Locks. Now just enable this toggle and select OK. Now to hide the photos, first of all, just select the photos which you want to hide. For an example, I will select these photos, then tap on More, and select Move to Album. Now just tap on Create, and from here just give a name to the album which you want to hide. And after you give a name to your album, then just tap on Create. Now if I go to the album section, as you can see, this is the album which we have created. Now after you create your album, then just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your tablet. For that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. And once the restart process is completed, then just open the Photos app and go to the Album section. Under the Album section, just select the album which you want to hide and tap on More. From here, just select Lock Album. And after you do that, you will lock the selected album. Just like that. And the photos in that album will be hidden from your Photos app. Just like that. Now, if your tablet does not support this feature, then just follow the next method. For that, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store. Now in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your tablet. Now just tap on Open. And after you open the app, then just tap on Next and tap on Let's Start. Now from here, just create a password for this app. And after that, just tap on Done. Now just enter your password one more time to confirm your password. Then tap on Done. Now first of all, just give this app all these permissions. Now to hide photos, just tap on Pictures. And from here, just tap on Import Photos. Select Grant Permission and enable this toggle. And after that, just go back. And from here, just select the photos which you want to hide. Just like that. And after you select the photos, then tap on Import. Now if you open the Gallery app, as you can see, the selected photos has been hidden from the Gallery app. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.